One of the best ways to not get good at drawing is to not learn the basics. Don't waste your time on the basics. Don't waste your time on things like proportions or simplifying shapes or learning how to draw things. Don't learn about values and shading and edges and how to realistically render things. Don't learn about observation, drawing from life. Just don't spend your time learning about any of these things. What you're better off doing is spending your time watching YouTube videos that don't help you with your drawing. Watch just random viral videos, funny videos. Watch shows on Netflix a lot. Basically, anything that's going to get you away from drawing, that's what you want to focus on. You want to focus on things that are going to take you away from your drawing. You're going to want to not be productive at all. Try to sleep in late every day. Stay up late at night and play video games. Focus on things that just don't improve your drawing at all. You don't want to practice a lot either. You don't want to practice honing in your skills, like your hand-eye coordination. You definitely don't want to draw like more than 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes is probably too long, so you definitely don't want to draw that long every day. Probably only like 1 or 2 minutes. And you're definitely going to want to give up after drawing those 1 or 2 minutes. You're not going to want to persevere and try to figure out your mistakes or what's wrong with it. You're going to want to just give up. That's probably the best thing you could do for not getting good at drawing, is to just give up. So definitely don't waste your time, persevering, pushing through, practicing every day for many hours, or, at least 30 minutes a day. Yeah, you're not going to want to do any of that kind of stuff. So don't practice, don't learn more about what you're trying to achieve, and definitely don't watch other artists that teach you how to do things and tell you the way that they did things. Definitely don't. And if you do watch those videos, be sure to give them a thumbs down. You don't want to like these videos, and you don't want to learn anything from them. So definitely ignore everything they're saying and do the opposite. So yeah, don't practice, don't learn anything, and don't be productive. Like I said, don't be productive. You definitely want to be lazy. Just try to spend all your time not focusing on drawing. Anything to get you away from drawing, stuff that's going to distract you from your drawing and what you actually want to do, that's what you're going to want to do. So just, don't practice, be lazy, and don't be productive. Don't persevere. Make sure you give up. Anyway, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs down. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.